Monitoring blood pressure at home is a valuable way to keep track of your cardiovascular health and to identify any potential issues early on. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to monitor your blood pressure at home using a digital blood pressure monitor. Choose the right blood pressure monitor. Purchase a reliable digital blood pressure monitor from a reputable brand. Look for one that measures your blood pressure at your upper arm, as wrist and finger monitors may be less accurate. Prepare for measurement. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Ensure you are relaxed and avoid caffeine, smoking, and exercise for at least 30 minutes before measuring. Positioning. Sit with your back straight and supported, with both feet flat on the floor. Rest your arm on a table or armrest, keeping it at heart level. Cuff placement. Wrap the blood pressure cuff snugly around your upper arm, about an inch above your elbow. The cuff's bottom edge should be about 1–2 centimeters above the bend in your elbow. Start the measurement. Turn on the blood pressure monitor and press the start button. The cuff will inflate automatically. Remain still and avoid talking during the measurement. Recording the reading. Once the measurement is complete, the monitor will display your systolic and diastolic blood pressure values along with your pulse rate. Note down these readings. Repeat for accuracy. For the most accurate results, measure your blood pressure 2 or 3 times, with a short break between each reading. Record all readings. Timing. Take your blood pressure at the same time each day, such as in the morning and evening. Follow any specific instructions given by your healthcare provider. Keep a record. Maintain a log of your blood pressure readings, along with the date and time of measurement. This record will help you and your healthcare provider track changes and trends over time. Consult with your doctor. Share your blood pressure log with your healthcare provider during regular checkups. They can provide insights, assess your blood pressure management, and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Remember, home blood pressure monitoring is not a substitute for professional medical evaluation. It is essential to discuss your readings and any concerns with your healthcare provider to receive appropriate guidance and care.